Have you ever been in this situation where you got something out of your van really quickly? Maybe you took it out to the job site, you thought you locked your drawers back up with the factory bar. You get back in the van, you drive away, and happened to me so many times, so many days of me cleaning up screws off the bottom of this van. I finally needed to make an automatic solution. That's where this comes in. This is called the ProLatch. Let me show you a close-up of it. It's very simple. Basically, to open the drawer, you press the spring-loaded release and open the drawer. When you push it back, it automatically locks on its own. You don't have to worry about getting this bar out, flipping it up every single time you need to grab something out of your pack-out drawers. This just simplifies the process. Now, I don't use these things at all anymore. I'm able to just come in quickly, open it up, grab the one screw that I need, close it back, and I'm ready to move on. Never have to worry about these drawers popping open when I move the van. Plus, the other issue I had is I have one of my pack-out drawers that has the bar here was getting jammed. It only made it about 3/4 of the way out. I couldn't lock it. So it was basically useless. I was having to keep something in front of it so that the drawers wouldn't pop open. Instead, now, all I use is the ProLatch. They're super simple to install. All you have to do is you wiggle it on into place, it snaps in place right onto the bar markings, and you lock down the screw. Done. It's made from 100% solid plastic. It is super strong. It is not going to break on you. It is made here, right here in the US. It has incorporated metal hardware for metal threaded inserts, metal bolts. There's a metal spring inside of this. It has fillet welds on the corners. It is contoured to be perfectly designed specifically for the pack-out drawer system. Works on the left side, it works on the right side. You only need one per drawer, so you don't have to have one on each side. I just have, so on this side I have them mounted on the left, and on this side I have them mounted on the right. That allows me, while I'm standing outside of the van, to be able to grab with my left hand on one or with my right hand on the other. Makes it really, really easy. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. That's the ProLatch.